Welcome to wiring your SIM32 cart. Before wiring your cart, ensure the power is off and unplugged from the wall. Bundle your power supply wires to approximately 20 inches, lower shelf to approximately 18, and upper shelf wires to about 12. Or measure from the bin to top or bottom of cart. Front-loading your SIM32 cart begins by removing the upper shelf from the wire bin. Plug the power supplies into the power strip. Utilize one power strip for the top shelf devices and one for the bottom. For wiring the bottom shelf, place the device cord through one slot, then wrap it around into the next slot. Then drop the cable through the bottom of the wire bin. For the upper shelf, simply lay the cable through the slot. Once all cables are run, place the upper shelf back on the bin. And tighten the thumb screws. Place your devices on the shelves and attach the cords. Plug the cart in and power it up. For complete instructions and information on the SIM32 cart, visit SpectrumFurniture.com.